We have taken chicken 250 grams, little pepper powder which is crushed. Take the fresh peppercorns so that dry chicken will be so tasty. Take a little bit of turmeric powder, little salt, little oil, and marinate the chicken and rest it for 10 minutes. We have marinated the chicken and we will place it aside. Starting with the procedure of pepper chicken, first take oil in a kadai, let it heat, then take the fine chopped onion, let it cook well. We'll add little bit of salt so that it releases water and cooks the onion fast. Now the onion has cooked, we'll add little bit of ginger garlic paste. Let this cook well.